Alright, this is probably one of the oldest box fans I own. This is a 1950s Dominion. Don't know the model number, I'll have to look back at the old videos of it. But yeah, I got this one time at the scrapyard. It was on a stand. Still have the stand somewhere. But yeah, it was in a pile of scrap metal at the scrapyard. And I asked one of the employees, I was like, hey, do you guys ever like sell stuff out of here? He was like, just take whatever you want, we'll take it out of whatever you get. So we dropped off our scrap metal. I threw this in the back of the Ranger, and we were out of here with a new Dominion. Now what's interesting about Dominions, in my opinion, rhymes, is the blades are not aluminum. They're actually steel blades. I mean, these are heavy duty fans. And I really like that Dominion logo. But don't remember the model number for it. It's got a chrome handle on the top. Fan's in decent shape. It's 2 speeds, high and low. Chrome handle. Has your Venturi ring. I don't think all of them had it, but this one does. It's Radley. Has a Dominion made motor, as you can see. And there's the connection diagram on the top here, if it'll focus. Common, high, low, ribbed conductor, center conductor, plain conductor. Alright, yeah. It's got 2 motor braces. I had to rewire a cord onto it when I first got it because the other one was a nightmare. So it's got a white cord on it, which I mean kind of fits the fan, I guess. But anyway, here is high. It does rattle, and I think the bearings are going bad because it makes a weird sound. But here's high. I don't know what that noise is, but it's been made. It's done that since I got it, so I don't know. But it moves a lot of air, and it's really quiet. Other than the rattles. Don't use it much. We'll go low. Kind of shuts up on low. Well, for the most part. Got a nice low speed. Moves good air too. Only reason the front grille rattles so much is because one of the little clamps at the bottom there is broken. We'll go back to high. And OFF spells off. It's slowing down rather quick on low. I don't know what's wrong with it. And it smells like a burnt motor in here now. I hope it didn't die on me. But it is possible. I mean, if it died, I'll find another motor for it because it's in pretty good shape. Other than a little bit of rust. But yeah, there's the Dominion 20-inch box fan with the custom grill clamp. This one's original. I don't think it died. I just don't think it's been ran in forever. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.